So Perkins have a variety of SRE options to help a customer balance between time and cost. A short block offers the basic components of an engine, such as the block, the crankshaft, and the connecting rods. And this allows a customer to reduce their total cost of restoration because they can retain a lot of the existing parts from the original engine. So a long block offers additional parts such as the cylinder head and valve train, and it allows the customer to balance cost and ease of installation. Rated longs offer testing and certification, which gives customers assurance for machines that are under higher emissions regulations, in particular with industrial products. Complete engines offer the customer a drop-in solution, which reduces downtime and gives you an ease of installation. So an industrial open power system is the perfect drop-in solution for remote work sites. They offer efficiency and reliability in all critical applications.